If 1 plus 1 makes 2, you have no synergy. 1 plus 1 makes 11. That's called synergy. 2 plus 2, it makes 4. No synergy. The strongest team always does not win. The team that gets along wins more time than the stronger team. Folks, once in a village, there was a horse pulling contest going on. And the winning horse pulled 9,000 pounds. And the horse that came second pulled 8,000 pounds. Now villagers wanted to find out, one pulls 9, the other pulls 8, individually. Supposing we club them together, how much can they pull? Take a wild guess. Folks, when they were clubbed together and they moved together in one direction with one force, they ended up pulling 30,000 pounds. 30,000! Individually, one pulls 9, the other pulls 8. Together, one direction, they moved and pulled 30,000 pounds. What is the word behind it? The word is synergy. Folks, if 1 plus 1 makes 2, you have no synergy. 1 plus 1 makes 11. That's called synergy.